My husband and I invented a holiday that we celebrate every single month. We are a budgeting household, and seriously, budgeting has 1000% transformed our lives. I went from living paycheck to paycheck and having literally thousands of dollars in consumer debt and student loans to having over $23,000 in the bank after buying a home and paying off our debt and paying off our student loans. And if you think budgeting sounds stiff, it ain't, y'all, because we give both of us each a couple $100s of fun money every month to spend however we want. We don't have to consult the budget on how to spend it or our spouse. That's how I buy my impulse coffee and try new makeup. But there usually comes a time where we've spent all of our fun money for the month and there's still a week or two in the month left. And that's about usually when we start counting down the days till Fun Money Day, which is the first day of every month when the budget resets and the fun money categories are full again. So if you want to celebrate Fun Money Day with us and enjoy totally guilt-free spending, follow the link in our caption to try our favorite budgeting app.